Is wholesaling real estate dead in 2024? Well, if you watched any real estate wholesaling guru or influencer, they're all going to tell you wholesaling is dead. You might have seen an ad before this video telling you that you shouldn't wholesale real estate anymore and you should buy this new innovative wholesaling strategy that is completely better than the old dead way of wholesaling real estate. Let me tell you straight up, wholesaling real estate is not dead. We get asked all the time, is it dead? Get all these new gurus doing it. They are just trying to sell you on a new gimmick. It is probably a method we've taught you about wholesaling. They put a little wrap on front of it, they put a little bow, and they try to sell it to you. Guys, what we're gonna do is explain to you exactly how to wholesale real estate in 2024 because a lot has changed. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. No, wholesaling real estate is not dead. But I will tell everybody, if you're wholesaling kills 2018 or 2019 and 2024, you're probably gonna be dead. The wholesaling business will be dead. But the truth is, if you know how to innovate, you know how to adapt, you can actually make more money wholesaling real estate and actually get rich. The one constant thing I've ever found in wholesaling real estate is that it's always changing. That's the only thing that always stays the same. So what we're going to do is show you exactly how you can change and how you can get through any possible scenarios for success in wholesaling real estate in 2024. But before we break it down, do us a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and let's break it all down.
So someone told you wholesaling real estate is dead. I'm going to give you a little bit of an insight on this. I've been told this as early as 2004 when I got started. Rick, it's changing. They're going to outlaw it. You're not going to be able to do it. It's going to be dominated by licensed realtors. And guys, here I am 20 plus years later. And guess what? Wholesaling is still a viable option. Honestly, I have more people making money right now, becoming rich in wholesaling, even more than when I started in 2004. You've got to understand, anybody telling you wholesaling is dead, look at their agenda. It's not dead. It's more alive than ever. Stop buying into this. It is nothing more than a hype to sell you something you really don't need. Wholesaling is alive and well. And I've been pitched this since it's been 2004. Here I am 20 years later, and we're having this exact same conversation. I have history on my side. It's up to you to make the decision. Wholesaling is not dead.
But there are some hard fundamental truths in wholesaling real estate I truly believe you should know. Number one, I can get you as motivated, as excited, as knowledgeable about wholesaling real estate that you can possibly be on your wildest dreams. We have freewholesaling.com. We have all the live streams. We have all this free videos that we give out. But really, it doesn't matter unless you do the work. Let me repeat myself. If you don't work, this business won't work at all. This might be a hard truth for a lot of people watching it, but this is a necessary truth that you must know. Most people want the knowledge or some coaching for wholesaling real estate. And yeah, I guess coaching and mentorship is great. We do that for free here, but really, we have freewholesaling.com. Most people want the knowledge, but they'll only skim through the freewholesaling.com course. The truth is, why are you skimming through the course? You should go through the entire thing. Literally, if you paid me $7,000, I would have given you the same exact course. You got to do the work. You got to get the knowledge first and then do the work second.
So what you got to understand in wholesaling, you always hear this term grind and hustle. And honestly, you can get away a few months with it, but the reality is just grinding and hustling is not going to make you a successful wholesaler. It can last for a very short period. The reality is, if you truly want to learn how to be a great wholesaler, you have to learn the art of working smart. You can hustle and grind, but if you're not going to the right list or you're buying courses from people that don't actually wholesale, it doesn't matter how much effort you get in it, you're not going to get anywhere. Those who learn how to do what I call smart wholesaling, meaning they go after the most highly motivated lists that we teach you at for government lists instead of buying these fancy services and all the stuff that honestly they don't even understand. Guys, it's the person that works the smartest and the person who is most consistent in wholesaling that will have the best bang for their buck. The person that grind and hustle is just the fastest track to burnout in wholesaling. You've got to learn to work smart because you do not get paid by the hour. You get paid by the result. And if you consistently keep chasing those smart results, you are on your way to being a successful wholesaler. Just grinding and hustling is not going to last. Learn this method, and I'm telling you guys, it will change your trajectory in wholesale.
The next part here, we got a lot of wholesalers that are watching this, and this is a harsh truth, but stop spending your money and start paying attention. I cannot repeat this enough. A lot of you guys in wholesaling real estate are coming out here super excited to get in the business, and you'll pay anyone any amount of money to start. You'll buy all these softwares, all these lists, and all these skip tracing because you're so excited. But what you're not doing is actually paying attention or actually doing the work. A lot of people think they can just skip the line in wholesaling real estate. You cannot skip the line to success. You can pay money. It's a tool. It makes it better, but it still won't make you the best. There's these people, they'll play pickup basketball, right? They'll get the nicest Air Jordan shoes. They'll get the perfect compression socks, the best basketball in the world. They'll get the best armband and headband, and they're all swagged out. But those are just tools to make you better, but like they won't make you the best, right? It doesn't matter. If you're not putting in the work and the grind, all the fancy stuff you're buying is not going to make you any better at basketball or better at wholesaling houses. So please heed my warning here. Do the work. So if you're watching this video and you're like, what are you talking about, right? You always have to spend money to make money, right? Well, we have freewholesaling.com. We have the largest database of testimonials in wholesaling real estate on the internet. By far, we have helped so many people go from no money to hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars in wholesaling real estate. If you go to flipwithwork.com, just look at the success stories. We have so many of them. The truth is it takes effort and consistency to make money, not the money to spend.
The next harsh truth, and like this has never been more true, is if you just stop trying to use every gimmick, every cheat sheet, every technique that's not really wholesaling, and actually do the work of going after government lists, doing your cold calling, and actually doing the work as opposed to avoiding it and trying to find all these tricks and gimmicks that a lot of people sell you guys, you would actually be a more effective wholesaler. Honestly, here's the secret to wholesaling. You actually have to do the work. There is no shortcut. And anyone who takes a shortcut, it's the fastest way to get out of the business. Go get your government list, make your cold calls, and put in a consistent effort and have the discipline. Honestly, have the guts. Stop trying to avoid the work and just do it. And if you just embrace it, you will conquer it and you will be an extremely effective wholesaler. By not doing the work and trying to avoid it and trying every little trick in the trade, you're wasting time. Get down to business and get the work done. There is no shortcut in wholesaling. That is the secret.
That's it. So guys, you got to pull government lists. You got to go cold call. A lot of you guys are avoiding it. You're trying to do the other method. Stop avoiding this. You know this is what gets most people successful. You need to do it. You're not doing it out of a fear or you're scared to get started. Stop doing this. Overcome this fear and get to work. The next lesson and harsh truth is you will stay broke if you don't get uncomfortable. This is super true in 2024. If you stay comfortable, you'll not get rich. Wholesaling will be dead for you if you keep in the comfortable position. You have to get uncomfortable. Do the things that don't make you feel too cozy, especially as a beginner wholesaler. Cold calling, talking to sellers, drawing for dollars, going on somebody's door and reverse drawing for dollars. I know this seems something that's really spooky and scary, but if you go out here and start doing it, the results will follow. And lastly, and probably one of the most important lessons I could tell you is one simple sentence. Nobody cares, work harder.
So the truth is we're all going through something in life. I've never been in a phase of my life something isn't going on. It's no different for me. It's no different for you. The reality is, here's the hard truth. Nobody cares. So if you're going to complain and give people excuses, they don't care. So what you got to learn is just stop doing it. Deal with your issues, deal with your wholesaling business, and stop telling everybody your problems because nobody likes a complainer. And here's the hard truth. They don't care. So if you know they don't care, get down to business, get stuff taken care of, and stop complaining because it's falling on deaf ears and it honestly just makes an excuse for yourself. So just stop doing it, recognize it, and put the work in.
And remember, 2024, there's only one KPI, key metric you need to know if you're going to be successful or not. If your wholesaling business is going to be dead, it's going to be thriving or alive, there's only one easy key metric to understand, and that is offers. Let me repeat myself. Offers. If you are not making offers, you are not making money. Offers equal money. If you are not making these offers, you are straight up not making any cash in wholesaling. So if you're watching this video, you got to start making offers. That is the secret here in 2024 to get rich. And I might ask, this is a very important question. Zach, how do I make offers, right? This is simple. How do I make a ton of offers? You do a ton of marketing. That's where it all stems from. It all stems from marketing. So pull a list, start drawing for dollars, reverse drawing for dollars, cold calling, texting, send some direct mail. Heck, I don't care what you're doing, digital bandit signs, whatever it takes to pump the marketing up, start doing that. And once you start doing that, you'll end up getting more leads, and the more leads you get is more offers, and more contracts equal more assignment of contracts, which is more money in your bank account for wholesaling real estate success. So if you're excited for 2024, excited to start wholesaling houses, and excited to make a change, so you know that wholesaling real estate in 2024 is going to be the best year ever for you, do us a favor. Make sure you go to freewholesaling.com. Freewholesaling.com is our free real estate wholesaling course, which has hundreds of thousands of students in it that learn wholesaling real estate absolutely for free. You will learn everything from the start to finish guide for wholesaling real estate without any money at all. Seriously, you go in there, it costs no money at all, no gimmicks, funnels, any type of weird systems. You just go to freewholesaling.com, you sign up for free, and you go in there and you learn how to wholesale real estate. If you want to learn wholesaling real estate for free, make sure you go there. You want to talk to personally me and Rick live? Seriously, you're watching this video right now, I'll be like, wow, that'd be great if Rick and Zach was on my screen right now talking to me live, like on a Zoom. But we do it for free. On our live streams on this YouTube channel, we actually go live on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard. So you should hop on there, learn how to hop on the streamer link, and hop on and talk to us absolutely for free. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe so you don't miss a live stream or another video. We'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out.
Rick signing out.
Have a blessed one.
See you guys.